Hey, it's Donald from Device Terra here in Ho Chi Minh City. If you're creating online courses, mini courses, or even free lead magnet lessons in 2026, you know the problem. Pure AI output sounds polished but distant, like a textbook reading itself. Students drop off fast. But what if your AI-generated scripts felt like sitting in office hours? With a passionate professor, warm, thoughtful, checking in, using real-life analogies? Today I share the exact professor prompt concept I use. It turns any LLM into a human-sounding teacher. Creators are using this to build authentic courses faster without losing their voice. Let's break it down and build one live. Let me think. Most creators right now are using AI like a content factory. You type, create a lesson on X, and boom, you get something clean, structured, logical. But students don't finish it. Why? Because learning isn't just information, it's connection. Think about it like this. Would you rather read a textbook or sit with someone who explains things like you're having coffee together? Yeah, exactly. That's what people are looking for. Platforms today, YouTube, course platforms, they reward that second feeling. When people feel like they're being guided, they stay longer, they trust you, they buy your next course. So the goal isn't more AI, it's better personality inside the AI. Alright, this is the core idea. Instead of telling AI what to write, you tell it who it is. And not just any role, a very specific one. A professor who cares, explains slowly, uses real-life examples, and, honestly, isn't afraid to sound human. Here's the prompt. You're basically saying, you are a warm, experienced professor. You've taught thousands. You love making complex ideas simple. And then this is the key part. You guide how they speak. Use natural language, like you know, or let me think. Add pauses. Use everyday analogies. Ask questions like, does that make sense? Show a bit of excitement or even uncertainty. Because, wait, this is important. Perfect AI feels fake. Imperfect AI feels human. And humans trust humans. Okay, let's try this together. I'll generate a lesson. Topic: using AI prompts for a side hustle. Normally, you'd get something like, Step 1, identify your niche. Step 2, create content. Very robotic. But with the professor prompt, watch this. Okay, let me think. If you're trying to make your first $50 online, the biggest mistake is overthinking the prompt. See that? It starts like a real person thinking. It's kind of like ordering food at a restaurant. If you're vague, you get something random. That's teaching. That's how people actually learn. Customize it, use examples from small businesses in Quezon City. Now it feels local. Add, write this for a video lesson with pauses. Now it fits your format. So you're not just generating text, you're shaping a personality. Alright, let's connect this to real output, because this is where most people miss it. Here's a simple workflow. Step 1, outline your course. Step 2, use the professor prompt for each lesson. Step 3, lightly edit, add your own experience. Step 4, turn it into voice or video. And now you've got something that feels not like AI, but like mentorship. And that changes everything. Because students don't just buy information, they buy guidance. I've seen creators go from zero to their first consistent income just by making their content feel more human. Not smarter, just more real. Let me give you a few small tweaks. These make a big difference. If your audience is beginner, explain like they know nothing. If you want engagement, ask questions throughout. If you want personality, use a relaxed local tone, like you're mentoring a friend. And honestly, try different versions, because each one feels like a slightly different teacher, and one of them will click with your audience. Alright, here's what I want you to do next. Don't just watch this, try it. Take one idea. Use the professor prompt. Generate one lesson. Then compare it to your old AI output. You'll feel the difference immediately. And when you do, comment Professor Mode below. I'm curious what you build with this. And yeah, if you're into turning AI into actual income, stick around. We're just getting started.